Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Exam Decoder. Today we are diving into Year in Review 2024 of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Part 1. It has been a groundbreaking year for the India's tech and innovation landscape, and we are here to break it all down for you. Let's get started. The first point. The Government of India has taken a massive step in semiconductor manufacturing. Under the Semicon India Programme, Government of India has approved 4 semiconducting manufacturing units in India. This is a huge step towards making India a global hub for electronics manufacturing and reducing our dependence on imports. The future of tech in India is looking brighter than ever. Moving to the next point. India has solidified its position as a global leader in artificial intelligence. In 2024, India hosted the sixth meeting of GPAI Ministerial Council, that is Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, in New Delhi. And guess what? India is set to be outgoing chair for GPAI in 2025 also. This is the testament to India's growing influence in shaping the future of AI globally. In the next point, let's talk about the job creation and electronics manufacturing. The government has approved 9 projects under the scheme for the promotion of manufacturing of electronics component and semiconductors. These projects are expected to generate 15,710 jobs, boosting employment and strengthening the India's electronics supply chain. A win-win for the economy and the workforce. Moving to the next point. This is point 4. This is about the digital literacy. Digital literacy has been a key focus this year. Under the Pradhan Mantri, Gramin, Digital Saksharta Abhiyan, a whopping 6.39 crore individuals have been trained, exceeding the target of 6 crore. The initial target was 6 crore. This initiative is empowering millions of Indians with digital skill, bridging the digital divide and ensuring no one is left behind in the digital revolution. Next is 5th point. Speaking of empowerment, the government has also focused on skill development for marginalized community. Over 18,209 SC/ST and EWS women across 81 aspirational districts have undergone skill development training. This initiative is not just about the employment, but also about fostering entrepreneurship and self-reliance among these communities. Next is this 6th point. This is about the breaking language barrier with the BHASHINI. Language should never be a barrier to access the digital services, and that's where the BHASHINI came in. We are 50 plus stakeholders on board. BHASHINI is making digital services accessible to all by bridging the language barriers. The platform is handling 100 million plus interference per month with translation service available in 22 Indian languages. This is the game changer for inclusivity in the digital space. And moving to the last point. This is the 7th point, in which main focused area is supercomputing for the research and development. The Prime Minister of India launched 3 Paramrudra supercomputer this year, strengthening research and innovation in the country. These supercomputer will boost advancement in the physics, earth sciences and cosmological studies, putting India on the global map of cutting edge research. Let's look into the detail of the first point, that is semiconductor manufacturing under the Semicon India Programme. Semicon India Programme is the initiative paving the way for India to becoming global hub for the semiconductor manufacturing. Let's start with the first topic. First topic is about the semiconductor manufacturing under the Semicon India Programme. Actually, India is making a good step in semiconductor manufacturing under the Semicon India Programme. Massive investments are transforming the countries into a global tech hub. Let's take a quick look. The first is Tata Electronics Private Limited proposed to setting up semiconductor fab factory in the India with the investment, whatever it is written. It is not so important that you remember all these topics. Okay, this was just about the Semicon India Programme. Second is about the Tata Electronics Private Limited. This is CG Power and Industrial Solution Limited and the Keynes Technologies India Limited. These four companies already government has given the approvals. And with over 1.29 lakh crore invested, India's semiconductor industry is booming. A transformative initiative by MITI, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, to harness power of artificial intelligence for inclusive growth and innovation. Let's explore the key pillars of this mission and how it is shaping the India's AI future. This is the first point: design, development and deployment of National AI Portal, that is INDI-AI. This has been implemented as one-stop online portal for AI-related development in India, sharing resources, details of startups, investment funds, and AI companies and education institutes related to the AI in India. Next is Airavat. Airavat is AI research, analytics and knowledge dissemination platform. To accelerate AI research and innovation, government has launched Airavat, a cutting-edge AI computing platform. Project Airavat for providing a common compute platform for AI research and knowledge assimilation. In 2023, Airavat has secured 75th position in top 500 global supercomputing list, putting India among the top AI supercomputing nations worldwide. Next is formation of Interministerial Committee for the development of robotic ecosystem in the country. This is to foster a robust robotic ecosystem. MITI has formed Interministerial Committee with representatives from Department of Telecommunication, DST, Department of Science and Technology, Niti Aayog and other ministries. Actually, the goal is to create end-to-end ecosystem that position India as a leader in the robotic innovation. Next is National Programme on Artificial Intelligence. The National Programme on Artificial Intelligence is cornerstone of India AI mission. It aims to leverage transformative technologies for social impact, focusing on the four pillars. These are the four pillars. First is the skilling in AI. It means empowering citizens with AI expertise. Next is responsible AI. Second is the responsible AI that ensures ethical and inclusive AI development. Next is data management office. Third is data management office that is streamlining data of AI innovation. Next is National Center on AI. This is driving research and development. This fourth is driving the research and development in AI, that is National Center on AI. This program is designed to make AI accessible to all, fostering innovation and inclusion across the sectors. Next is India AI Report. The India AI Report outlines mission-centric approach to harness AI for social development. It focuses on the 6 pillars. The first is AI in governance. Second is AI in IP and intellectual property and innovation. Third is AI compute and system. Fourth is data for AI. Fifth is skilling in AI. And sixth is AI ethics and governance. The report aims to achieve the vision AI for all, ensuring that benefits of AI reach to the every corner of India. Next is Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, that is GPAI. India is leading the charge in shaping the future of artificial intelligence on the global stage. As one of the largest economies in the global south, India has taken pivotal role in Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, driving ethical and inclusive AI development worldwide. Let's explore how India is making waves in AI race and beyond. In November 2022, India was elected as incoming council chair of GPAI, receiving more than 2/3 of the first preference boards. This marked the beginning of India's 3-year leadership journey of incoming chair in 2023, then lead chair in 2024, and outgoing chair in 2025. In July 2024, India hosted 6th GPAI Ministerial Council meeting. India's leadership in GPAI is testament to its vision of harnessing AI for good and for all, paving the way for a renewed global partnership in AI innovation. Coming to the Modified Electronics Manufacturing Cluster Scheme. To boost the electronics manufacturing, the government launched this is EMC Scheme 2.0, providing financial assistance for industry-oriented infrastructure and common facilities. Key projects approved in 2024 include this is CFC project in Hyderabad, offering prototype and testing facilities. Electronic Manufacturing Cluster in Telangana and Electronic Manufacturing Cluster in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Next is about the capacity building. Empowering citizens with the digital literacy and skill is at the core of India's vision for inclusive and technological advanced future. In 2024, MIT achieved remarkable milestone in capacity building and skill development, transforming lives and bridging the digital divide. Let's take a close look. This is the first one. The Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan was initiated to reach the digital literacy in 6 crore rural households. As of March 2024, 6.39 crore individuals were trained across the country, exceeds the target of 6 crore. From the above report and given the significant rise in the smartphone uses, internet penetration and digital engagement in rural areas, the objective of the scheme has been successfully achieved. The government has also approved the 2 schemes for the skill development in electronics, system design and manufacturing. The first is a scheme for financial assistance to state UTs for skill development in ESDM sector. This is electronic system design and manufacturing sector, and skill development in ESDM for the digital India, that is scheme 2. In order to support industry requirements in assembly and manufacturing in the area of core technology and futuristic technology, this initiative is creating a skilled workforce ready to drive India's electronic manufacturing revolution. Next is IT for Masses program. As a part of capacity building and skill development scheme, seeks to bridge the digital divide by fostering ICT activities for focus groups such as women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, senior citizen, especially able individuals and those from economically weaker sections, as well as for underserved areas including northeast regions, backward districts and blocks, and districts with the 40% SC/ST population. Through infrastructure development, training, capacity building and entrepreneurship activities, the IT for Masses is ensuring that no one is left behind in the India's digital journey. Next is cybersecurity for resilient digital landscape in India. In an increasingly digital world, cybersecurity and the language inclusivity are cornerstone of a resilient and inclusive India. In 2024, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is MIT, made significant strides in strengthening the India's digital landscape through initiatives like Cyber Surakshit Bharat and BHASHINI. Let's explore how these programs are shaping the India's digital future. As a part of Cyber Surakshit Bharat program, MIT conducted 45th batch of Chief Information Security Officers deep dive training. This initiative aimed at equipping CISO and IT officials from the government sector, PSU and the financial institutions with the essential cybersecurity skills and strengthening India's digital security. Certain has also made significant progress in onboarding 388 organizations to Cyber Saksharta Kendra and holding a cyber security drilling for the health sector. These efforts are strengthening India's digital infrastructure, making it resilient against the evolving cyber challenges. Next is Digital India BHASHINI language translation platform. BHASHINI aims to transcend language barriers, ensuring that every citizen can effortlessly access digital service in their own language. Using voice as a medium, BHASHINI has a potential to bridge language as well as digital divide. Launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in July 2022, under the National Language Technology Mission, BHASHINI aims to provide technology translation services in 22 scheduled Indian languages. 17 Indian languages are supported. BHASHINI is not just a platform, it is a movement to bridge the digital and the language divide, empowering millions of the Indians. This is ad for the BHASHINI AI Empowered Bharat, AI for every voice and every language. Speak in your language and translate in real time, anytime, anywhere with the BHASHINI app. These are the key achievements of the BHASHINI, not so important for the exam. Here the awards and recognition BHASHINI's contribution have recognized across the various forums, showcase leadership in AI, digital transformation and inclusivity. The awards and recognition includes, these are the awards given to BHASHINI. Don't need to remember each and every award. This actually highlights the BHASHINI's leadership in AI driven innovation and its transformative impact on the India's digital landscape. Next is National Supercomputing Mission. India is reaching new heights in scientific research and innovation with the National Supercomputing Mission. On 26th September 2024, Honorable Prime Minister dedicated 3 Param Rudra supercomputers to the nation, making a significant milestone in India's journey towards the technological excellence. Let's see the next. These 3 supercomputers are built using the indigenous design and manufacturing high-performance computing servers known as Rudra, along with the locally developed software stack. The Param Rudra supercomputer will significantly enhance research capabilities for the young scientists in India, facilitates advanced studies in the physics, earth sciences and cosmology. With the commissioning of about 3 Param Rudra supercomputers, as of now, total 33 supercomputers was combined compute capacity of 32 petaflop. Petaflop is the unit to measure the speed of supercomputer have been deployed across the various academic institutions, research organizations and R&D labs, including prominent institutes like ISCs, IITs, CDEC and other institutes from the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities from the country under National Supercomputing Mission. National Supercomputing Mission is a flagship initiative to position India as a global leader in the supercomputing. The Param Rudra supercomputer and National Supercomputing Mission are paving way for the future where India leads the world's scientific research and innovation. By providing access to cutting-edge technologies, we are nurturing the next generation of scientists and innovators who will shape the future of our nation. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. MIT has also released part 2. In the next video, we will see the part 2 of year in review. Thank you.